Welcome back to my channel. On this video, I wanted to share how I renovated my apartment's balcony and got it ready for the summertime. If you're looking for some apartment safe renovations, keep on watching. The first thing I did was take all the furniture and old plants out and do a deep clean. I used my Dyson vacuum to help me out with the dust, especially on those tricky corners. And with a wet cloth and some all-purpose cleaner, I wipe every surface. As you can see, my floors were full of chalk, paint, and other stuff. So I went to IKEA and got this outdoor flooring. I'm going to leave a link to it in the description. These are extremely easy to put on, and on total, I ended up using 6 packs. So before you buy it, make sure to measure the space really well, because I had to take like 2 extra trips to IKEA because I didn't measure. But that's my own fault. In the end, I love how these floors came out. But because the floor space wasn't the exact same size as the tiles, I decided to get some white marbles and fill out the space. The bench I already had from last year. I got it from Target, and the cushions are from Amazon. I got some herbs from Lowe's and planted them on these planters from the Dollar Tree. I made sure to make some holes for drainage. I found this shelf at Target and decided to use it to display the plants I got from IKEA. I made a little support for it using some command hooks. Basically, I overlapped 2 hooks on each side and 1 on top to secure the shelf. One of my favorite parts of this project was the Greenery wall. I got this runner from Amazon. I used Scotch mountain tape to secure it to the wall and glue random leaves and plants. Nothing too planned. This took a little time because I was just playing around with what looks best and what I like. And that's it. I am completely in love with how this came out and can't wait to have family and friends over to enjoy it with them. In total, I spent around $200, which is not that bad, at least I think. Make sure to like this video if you like projects like these, and also make sure to subscribe to my channel for more lifestyle content. So make sure to catch up with me on Instagram. I'll see you on the next one.